What's good, YouTube? Back on another video. Today, I'm gonna be filming this little video for y'all, but I'm finna get ready. So if you read the title, then you should know that this is a video of the homecoming. You feel me? So I'm gonna need y'all to tap in, drop a like, and yeah, I'm finna go get ready. You feel me? I was supposed to start filming. I was supposed to start filming like earlier. It's 4 now. My shit at 7, but I was supposed to be filming at like this morning. But I had a haircut appointment at 12. So I had to go to that. And then low key, I just been playing Spider-Man, bro. This shit low key addictive, bro. I can't even lie to y'all. So you feel me? I just been on that Spider-Man John. But I'm finna go get ready and shit, bro. Then I'm gonna show y'all the fit when I'm done and whatnot. So I'm gonna get to y'all later. Also, a lot of people be telling me, bro, I need to fix the audio. So I went to the TikTok shop and copped a little mic. These shits was like $5. So I definitely recommend TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop be legit for real. I thought this shit was not coming. It came through and it came quick. This shit wasn't even supposed to come before. So be glad these came through because I wasn't going to film for real. I'm not going to lie. I was finna go get lit. But shout out to TikTok. Alright, so this is the Utara. You feel me? You feel me? Hold on. What the Air Forces? Alright, hold on. Alright, so we finally got to the school, as y'all can see, point over there. So we made it to the school today. And bro, the homie who bought my ticket, he's supposed to pull up with it. Why bro thought the dance was at 7:30? It's at 7, bro. Nigga sold! What time is it? Blood not even here. It's 7:04. What the fuck? What is bro doing, bro? He's selling the bag, man. He'll go to bus. Yeah. But shit, bro. I guess I'll either notify y'all when I get in that bitch, bro, or you feel me? We gonna handle it though, so I'm gonna hit y'all. Alright, so we're here and this is post game interview and I would like to start by saying the cameramans I had at that homecoming was so foul. That shit was just disrespectful. I kept telling these niggas, it's a plug for this mic. You have to plug it in. I keep telling these niggas, do not touch the plug. These stupid niggas keep touching my plug. So the audio was fucked up. It was compromised. Also, I didn't get as much film because the storage kept fucking up, bro. My phone is cooked. You feel me? But oh, the audio, yeah, that was why. So just mind you that.
When more people come, I'm gonna put it on. Is it on right now? Yeah. We back, we here with a homecoming video, we lit. Hey, what's your name? Oh, we clicking up on it. Ain't no flick without me in it. Nigga, that's the video. Oh, shit. Yeah. Hey, that nigga stuck the album. My nigga funny. Yeah, bro, but what a homie Mike at? What's on that? I think it's time we go back inside and start the function. Yeah, let's come back to the function. Where the fuck BT though? Where the ass niggas at? This nigga's a freak, bro. Too quick, oh yeah. That's it for Hoco 2024 gonna be lit. You ain't got a mic. Oh shit, let me get it. Hey, all the big booty hoes come follow my Instagram. Hey, I got a broken arm. Come beat my beef for me. Hey, come beat my beef for me. I got my broken arm. Hey, don't listen to Cud, nigga. Come tap on the gram, nigga. I'm not on the SS like that, nigga. Hold on, bro, like that. What? Y'all finna gas it? Alright, hold on, Ed. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Bitch, leave, nigga. Yeah, I'm finna go. Oh yeah, fuck no. Hey man, it's your boy ratchet, man. You can't spell the rancho without the R and the A. I needed some shit with some poppin'. Everybody's a touch y'all finished. I don't know. I fuck with this nigga. Hey, what song is this? I forget. I heard this shit before. Oh, this me? Oh, this Drake? Hold on. Hey, who got the phone? Chris, come on, Chris, hold on. I got a really big team. We get some really big things. These really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. I got some really nice things. We got really big things. Some really big rings. These are really nice things. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. We got a really big We got a really big team, man. What a time to be alive. Hey, you and yours. That's me and mine. All these fucking teams. Fucking teams. All you switching sides. You wanna be with me? I love. Hey, what is that? I just got chase girls, but they want the mom on me. Wow, fuck you. You only get one shot at niggas for time, boy. That's a wall. It's a wall. And that's a really big thing. Real nice thing. Better be coming with no strings. No strings. Really nice thing. It's a real big thing. Better be coming with no strings. Better be coming with no strings. Big thing, man. One time. I was a kidnapper. When you get a chance, send me the video of me from over there. Oh, my nigga Thumb, you know what I'm saying? Jaden, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Chad, man. Chad, my nigga, we all in this bitch, man. Really nice. My nigga Adam, OG Adam, I tell you to get about. Oh hell no, hell no. I fucked my plate, nigga. I know that's my friend. Let me find the words. Oh, that's fire. Oh, that's I ain't going outside today. Taking a topic.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm having a blessed night, brother. What do you say? Come over here.
That nigga breath. That shit was crazy. I'm gonna kill myself. This shit was sad. I'm actually about to break. This is Netflix. They just got here. They're taking Netflix. What the? Man, go what? Nigga, I got this. I'm cameraman. Nigga, come here, bro. Where the fuck the DJ? Oh my fucking God. No.
No, baby. Nigga, social like, nigga, I got the golden ticket, my nigga. What y'all niggas know about that? Nigga.
What the hell? Boy, if you don't get your squiggly.
Bitch, love D3. Nigga, you don't got a mic. That's tough, man. We got DJ. My mic still on? It's great. Is it great? Nah.
Yeah, the dead guy.
He called me jumping on the pop and the boat, now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I don't go, act like I don't know, but for when I'm out just for money, don't make me go and complain. Take out 100 to show y'all pockets again. I'm
Oh shit. This nigga, hey, this is my first cameraman. Shout out to bro. Whoa, these niggas sound wang niggas. My force is gonna be bumped as shit, brother. I just got a deal, I'm on. Somebody must be. Yeah. Good. Yo. Hey. Go. She like I smell. I just had a deal, I'm on. Yeah. Good. Sure, hold on. What's going on here? Yeah. That's what Mexican 50s. We dead and shit. Hey, can we go merge with some bitches, please? It's a meat fest, nigga. Go find some hoes, bro. Fuck, bro. Nigga, I don't know, merge with some bitches. Okay. Who say that? Some niggas is musty, though. See, there we go. Oh, fuck no. I've been waiting that. No, sir. No, sir. What the fuck, brother? What the fuck, kid? My nigga. That was terrible. What's up, best friend? That shit was shitty, bro. What's going on, my nigga? That's tough. Yo. I just had to deal. I'm off. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. Still got smack alone. Yo, sure. Yeah. Brother, I can't see this one, cuz. He said niggas who sing this going to hell, brother. Get ready. Oh, fuck no, brother. Huh? We on? the fuck, man? What the fuck? Is that a nigga? I just saw a nigga in a dress, cuz. It's grim. On neighbor. No. Hey, where the fuck the water at, my nigga? Hey, where the water at, my nigga? Nigga, I don't fucking know, nigga. Over there. Oh, shit, brother. Hey, can you come in and get a paper towel? Let's go get water, nigga. Not so dry as shit, brother. Oh, my fault. Hey, my shit green. My shit green, my brother. My shit green. Real quick.
God, what are you doing here?
I'm filming a YouTube video. Yeah, sir. Yo, homegirl drunk as shit though.
Which one? Allison?
Allison, yeah. Yeah, they.
You go to Priscilla? You seen Alexis at Priscilla?
I be seeing her, yeah.
You got a girlfriend?
I'm gonna go see what's up with that.
Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. My lunch filming this clip right now. I just got finished editing the first video. But I know y'all attention spans be short as shit. So I put in 2 videos because y'all not finna watch no 50-minute video. I already know y'all. Yeah, bro. Yeah, y'all probably not gonna watch 20 minutes, but shit, bro. It is what it is. Fuck it, bro. But drop a like, bro, and subscribe if you new, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.